Alright guys, we are live. A minute ago I got all messed up, but yeah, we're live again. So here we go, we're gonna get the list going. Thank you guys for the fill. This is the $100 in your Venmo, Cash App, or however you paid me. So this is the list right here. Thank you guys again for the fill. I wish you all good luck. You know, there's only gonna be one lucky winner tonight though, so let's get it going. So we're gonna go live again. That was messed up. So live. Yep, live. We're at 9:44 p.m. So we're going to do a random dice roll, see how many times we're going to roll the dice. Alright, we have 4 and 5, which is 9. So we're going to randomize 9 times. Alright, wish everybody. Alright, so here we go. Gene on top, Elise on bottom. So we're going to be randomizing 9 times. Let's get going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, there's 8. The dice say 9. Everybody good luck. Good luck. The winner is Spot 3 player. Congratulations. I'll be sending that to you shortly. Thank you guys for the fill. I'm sorry to everybody else. So, dice say 9. Randomized 9 times, player. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good night.